Hi friend! Great afternoon. Marian Santos here, potentials.com. Signing at our channel. Let's study God's Word. Ang didakin natin today is Luke to the Living. The Bible verse is from Luke 24 verse 5. The women were terrified and bowed with their faces to the ground. Then the men asked, "Why are you looking among the dead for someone who is alive?" So yung storyteller natin today is Sis Gemma Kasimsiman. So, she talks about we often seek love in the wrong places. We enter relationship expecting them to mend our broken hearts. We shape our personality into the standards of society, hoping to feel accepted. We distract ourselves with work, vices, or entertainment, thinking where we'll finally find peace. Sadly, they are only temporary. So sometimes parang Sis Gemma is telling us we are going into the wrong places or looking into the wrong things. So sabi niya, just like the woman in the gospel, we look among the dead for someone who is alive. So kasi diba, Jesus rose from the dead. So parang the three women, including Mary Magdalene, diba, they went to the tomb of Jesus but they found no one there. Diba? The stone was moved, it's open, but Jesus was not there. So why are we looking for someone there when Jesus is alive? So Jesus showed the real meaning of love when He suffered and died for us. Despite na nireject natin siya, but still, no, pinili niya tayo to save us. So, do you desire the full and abundant life that Jesus gives? Stop looking among the dead and seek the Lord alone. So, look for God. Develop a relationship with the Lord. So, on this night of resurrection, everything begins a new creation, regains its authentic meaning in the plan of salvation. Because Christ, the last Adam, has become the life-giving Spirit. Jesus, instead of seeking temporary love through our earthly desire, we turn to you, whose grace is beyond our own understanding. So yan, find a place in our heart for the Lord to occupy space in our life so that kumbaga we will be able to having an abundant and perfect life. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.